Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. We all love the Eggs Benedict, but the hero is the Hollandaise sauce. We come from a country of curries and spices and sauces. So today I thought, let's have an Indianized version of this dish. So before I begin with the recipe, let me just show you how to make some accompaniments that will go very well with the dish. So let's make the crispy potatoes. For that I have taken some baby boiled potatoes which I have just squished into my palms, and now I'm just going to toss them and make them crisp with some butter. Just let's toss this in the butter. Sprinkle some salt, pepper and some chili powder. Just let's toss these well and make them nice and crisp. The potatoes are done. Let's put them on the side. Next, we're going to make a salad with some lettuce and cherry tomatoes. I'm going to quickly make a dressing for this. 1/4 teaspoon garlic paste, some pepper, some salt, and a little bit of lemon juice. Just mix this well. Drizzle some olive oil. Whisk this well and let's pour this over the salad. Toss this well. So the salad and the potatoes are done. Let's keep it aside. So the next is I'm going to toast some bread. You can use bread of your choice. I'm using the brioche here. So I'm just going to apply some butter, very little. I'm just going to make it a little crisp on either side. While the bread is getting toasted, time to read some comments. Hi Anthony Urbanski, thank you for inquiring about my health. Yes, I'm much better, on a road to recovery, and I'll get even more better soon. Thank you so much. Now we're going to make our sauce. We're going to use 2 egg yolks for this. Just gently get the yolks out and place them in another bowl. Let's whisk the yolks. Let's add a little bit of chili powder to this, 1/4 teaspoon, some lemon juice. Whisk this. I have some melted butter here, about 1/4 cup, which I'm going to add to the yolk. Whisk this really well. And now we're going to cook this in a water bath. I have some water that I've kept boiling here, and I'm just going to go on whisking this till the yolks are cooked. You need to keep whisking this. The sauce is nice and thick, as you can see. Let's keep this aside. The sauce is ready. If you feel the sauce is thickening too much, you can immediately put it in an ice bath and just keep whisking it so it doesn't cook further. So here I've kept some water to boil to poach the eggs. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar to this. Just let the water come to a boil. I'm going to swirl the water and then I'm going to crack an egg in this. The swirling of the water will help the egg white to come together. I'm going to cook this egg for at least 5 minutes. I'm going to get this poached egg out. Drain off the water completely. I'm going to place this on the toast. Similarly, let's poach another egg. If you find it difficult to poach, you can also fry the egg and put it on the toast. Let's pour the sauce. I'm going to garnish it with some chives. If you don't have chives, you can just use coriander as well. Let's keep the crispy potatoes. Let's put the salad as well. I'm going to sprinkle some salt, a little bit of chili powder, Our dish is ready to be served. It's a complete meal. You can have it for breakfast or for a snack or dinner, any meal of your choice. It is not a very difficult dish. If you find poaching an egg difficult, you can fry it as well. So do try this recipe and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.